instructions for 8B says find the sum of the columns. And what does the sum represent? So we literally just add up each individual column. So we're adding up column number 1. So we're adding up 200 plus 100 plus 150, and that equals 450. So I'm just using C1 to denounce the column 1. Then C2 will equal 300 plus 175 plus 225, which equals 700. And C3 equals 275 plus 150 plus 220. And that will add up to 545. So we now have the sum of the columns, and now we have to find out what does the sum represent. So if we know from part A that each store number represents each column, and so I'm just going to write the store numbers right up top. So that means this entire column represents store number 1, and if we know that each element in this column represents how many golf balls of each color, then if we're adding up all the colors for store number 1, that means that C1 is how many golf balls store number 1 has in total. Because we're adding up 200 red, 200 white, 100 red, 150 yellow. So that's how many golf balls store 1 has in total. And same thing with column number 2. That's how many golf balls store 2 has. And C3 will represent how many golf balls store 3 has.